Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The rainforest produces over 20% of the world's oxygen. Home to 390 billion individual trees, it boasts incredible biodiversity. The Amazon River flows through the rainforest, supporting countless ecosystems. Many indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the earth. It's home to approximately 10% of all known species on Earth. The rainforest experiences heavy rainfall, averaging over 100 inches annually. It has a unique three-layer structure: emergent, canopy, and understory. The canopy layer is filled with vibrant clouds of birds and insects. Here, creatures like sloths, monkeys, and toucans thrive. The understory is darker and home to various reptiles and small mammals. Many plants have adapted to the shaded conditions of the rainforest. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. It flows over 4,000 miles across the continent. The rainforest is vital for regulating global climate patterns. Deforestation poses a significant threat to this ecosystem. Logging, agriculture, and mining are primary causes of deforestation. Sustainable practices are critical for conservation efforts. Organizations work tirelessly to protect the Amazon's biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 2.5 million different insects. Medicinal plants within the rainforest provide treatments for various diseases. The Amazon's rivers are teeming with life, including giant river dolphins. Over a third of the world's fish species live in these waters. The rainforest also plays a significant role in carbon storage. Climate change threatens the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Finally, protecting the Amazon is crucial for future generations. Join us in understanding and preserving this natural wonder. Learn more about how you can help protect the Amazon rainforest. Thank you for watching. Together, we can make a difference.